What's happening, guys? Ari here from Boston Automotive Consulting. I wanted to give my take today on whether or not buying in stock is better or ordering directly from the factories. So some of you that already know me or have been following me for a little while know that I used to work for BMW as a dealer. So I'm fairly knowledgeable when it comes to the process of ordering a BMW directly from the factory. Enough that I feel comfortable making this video, giving you my insight as to whether or not you should be ordering from the factory or just buying whatever is in stock at the dealer or trading with a different dealership. 4 of my 8 BMWs have been ordered directly from the factory, whether it be from Germany or one of them, which was South Carolina, the X5. The other 4, 2 of them were purchased in stock. This one and another 328 coupe I had while I was working at the dealership. Obviously, the dealer prefers I buy in stock because that's another unit that they already have that they get to get rid of. The reason why I like ordering from the factory is there are so many different parts of the process of ordering besides the actual car that give me pleasure. First of all, the building process, right? You're deciding what you want in the car, and most of the stuff that's usually in stock isn't exactly what you're looking for. Once you decide, this is the interior, exterior, do I want a stick shift? Do I want the black wheels? All the different types of things that you want your car to be, you get to choose. That being said, ordering is kind of cool because the final product, it's always a satisfying feeling having exactly what you asked for. Second, I love the anticipation, so much so that towards the end, everybody at the dealership hates me. Not only do I get the production number and plug it in to track my BMW on the BMW website, I also found out a couple cool ways that you can track your car outside of the BMW website. There's a hotline. Not only just that, but if you're able to plug in the VIN number, you can contact your dealer and ask him for it. You can plug in the VIN in Wallenius Wilhelmsen's website and you can track the cargo to find out what ship your car is on, and then look on a ship tracker and see where that ship currently is. I know it sounds kind of creepy, but usually when I'm ordering a BMW, I usually even track the ship that it's on and see where it is and what sort of progress it's made during the process. Now, a lot of the times you'll get a bigger discount by buying in stock. Generally speaking here, a lot of the brands, they operate in a way that incentives usually apply for that month. They can't be sort of locked in, etc. BMW has a rate lock program where if certain incentives are available 1 month, but they don't have the car that you're looking for, BMW will allow you to submit a credit application and hold the incentives so that you're able to use them when the car does arrive. Once the car arrives, you'll be able to apply the incentives towards the purchase price. Use whatever rebates and money factor were available at the time that you ordered. If the program did get better, you could actually negotiate with your dealer so that you could take the better of the two and make sure that's in a purchase and sale agreement so you're not being charged a higher payment than what you could have got had you just used what's available at the time that your car arrives. You want to target the same type of discount that you would have if you bought in stock. I understand that dealers aren't willing to lose a crazy amount of money on a car that they have to order. However, getting invoice price before any and all incentives is more than possible. What you want to do is you want to make it super easy for them. You want to make it the quickest, easiest sale they could possibly have. Try to avoid going in there and wasting too much of the salesperson's time by figuring out exactly what it is that you want on BMW's website. Build it all out, print it out as a PDF, and email 10 dealers. Go wild. Email those 10 dealers, tell them exactly what you want, what you're trying to target. If it's a lease, if you've got a lease calculator handy, plug in the residuals and the money factors that you'll commonly find on my other videos. Reach out if you don't have them. I'll be more than happy to give them to you. Plug it all into a calculator and tell them this is what I'm trying to target on this car that I'm trying to build. One of them will accept your deal. This is how I like to always buy my cars or lease my cars, by building it out exactly how I want it, letting the anticipation build for a couple months, driving myself crazy for a couple months as I'm expecting my car to arrive stateside from Germany. So guys, if you found this information useful to you and you're trying to decide in your search for the perfect BMW that you're trying to lease or buy, please consider subscribing. What I normally do is I publish videos regarding specific cars that I give negotiation tips and strategies on, and what to target as far as discounts and payments go. Your subscribe would really mean a lot, and I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.